Morning, children. Welcome to biology session. So today's topic is cytoplasm. What is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is a thick solution that fills each cell and is enclosed by the cell membrane. It is mainly composed of water, salt, proteins. In eukaryotic cells, the cytoplasm includes all the material inside the cell and outside the cell. So, children, this is the cell, and the space which you are seeing here, fluid space, that is nothing but the cytoplasm. The fluid space which is there in between all the cell organelles, they are nothing but the cytoplasm, and these are all the cell organelles, and in the center you will have a nucleus. So the thick solution is known as a cytoplasm. In eukaryotic cells, cytoplasm includes all the materials inside the cell and outside the nucleus. Inside the cell, you will have all the materials like Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, all the cells. Even outside the nucleus, all the organelles are present. In a eukaryotic, means true nucleus, in plants and animals. Whereas in prokaryotics, the nuclear membrane is not proper, it's not well defined. Nucleus is also not well defined. When we look at the temporary mount of onion peel, we can see a large region of each cell enclosed by the cell membrane. So each cell is enclosed by a cell membrane, children. So as it is a plant cell, it is also having cell wall. The outer layer will be cell wall and the next second layer will be cell membrane. This region takes up very little stain, cytoplasm region. It is called as cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a fluid bonded by the plasma membrane. It also contains many specialized cells inside. So inside the cell you have all cytoplasm content. Each of these organelles perform specific function which is there in the cytoplasm. So as I already said you, cytoplasm helps in the transportation of all these organelles from one place to another. It is a fluid filled material. Okay, so cell organelles are enclosed by membranes in prokaryotic cells. Besides the absence of definite membrane bond nucleus, the membrane bond cell organelles are also absent. Whereas in nucleus, good nucleus defined, well defined nucleus is present, and nuclear membrane is also well defined. But in prokaryotes, it is not well defined. Apart from nucleus, apart from the nuclear membrane, the membrane bonded cell organelles are also absent in prokaryotes, children, like algae and bacteria. So let us see what are the cell organelles in the present in the cell. See the pictures: Golgi apparatus, smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, nucleus, mitochondria, okay, cell membrane, lysosomes, vacuoles, centriole, cytoskeleton. These are all the cell organelles which are absent in the prokaryotic cell, whereas it is present in the eukaryotic cell. Protoplasm. What is protoplasm? Protoplasm versus cytoplasm. Durandin in 1835 discovered protoplasm, but in 1839 it was Purkinje who coined the word protoplasm. Protoplasm is the colorless material comprising of all living components in the cell. For a long time, it was believed that the essence of life was stored in the fluid found inside the cells. Hence, this was named as protoplasm, which means life fluid inside the cell. So protoplasm is nothing but the life fluid inside the cell. So when it became clear that the fluid is basically a medium in which various particles and membranes float around, that the functions of the cell actually takes place in these organelles only. It became to be understood that life resides in this organization, children. So in particular, the material inside and outside the nuclear membrane was differentiated after the discovery of nucleus. So hence protoplasm is renamed as cytoplasm. That is cell fluid. That is nothing but cell fluid. Protoplasm is renamed as cytoplasm. The fluid inside the nucleus came to be known as the nuclear fluid or nucleoplasm. So the fluid which is present inside the cell is cytoplasm. The fluid which is present inside the nucleus is nucleoplasm. Clear? I hope you understood the class. Let's go with the assignment part. I have also included some of the questions which are related to yesterday's class, nucleus class. So you also have to complete this. Define and give the examples of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Draw a neat labeled diagram of nucleus. It is there in your page number 4. Next, what is the other name of nucleus? Name the cell organelles which are present in the cell. Define cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is renamed as what? Complete the assignment and submit the class task, children. Thank you.